Today we'll be guiding you how to log in into AliExpress account. Make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to open the preferred browser on your PC or any device. Then on the web address bar, you need to type in aliexpress.com and press enter on the keyboard. This will let you access to the official site of AliExpress. At the top right, you can find out the sign in or register button. At the left hand side also you can find out the register and sign in button. You can click anywhere in order to sign in. Let's click on sign in button here and this box will appear where you just need to enter the password. Let's enter the password here of our account that we previously set. After you enter the password, you can click on sign in button, or else if you forget the password, then you can click on forget password link and easily reset from there. Let's click on sign in. You have to wait for a while. So you have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Just go and check in any device that your email address is being logged in. And in this box, once you enter the verification code of 6 digits that you received on your email address, you need to click on verify button. And after verifying your email address, you can easily sign into AliExpress account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.